Usually, when we build a mobile app, all our designs and screens are hard-coded inside the app itself. This works fine until you want to make a big change. Imagine you want to switch your bottom tabs to a side drawer one day. Normally, you would have to install a new package, rewrite your code, rebuild the app, and wait hours or days for the App Store or Play Store to approve it. Even with the fast update tools, you're still stuck waiting on a build process. But what if your app didn't decide its own layout? What if it asked the server first? Think of it like this. Your app hits the API endpoint, and that endpoint sends back a simple JSON file. That JSON tells the app, today use a drawer navigation and use these specific colors and labels. Since the app simply follows the JSON instructions, you can swap your navigation instantly without a store update. You just have to make sure both the drawer and bottom tab packages are already installed in your code beforehand. This is called JSON-driven UI. It's language agnostic, which means the logic works same whether you are using React Native, Flutter, Swift, or Kotlin. It's not just about switching navigation. We can do so much more. In this series, we are going to explore all the ways a JSON-driven UI makes building mobile apps faster and easier.